Children, now exercise 13.1 first question. Okay. So following are the car parking charges near a railway station upon. Okay. So the time is given. If it is for 4 hours, the charge is 60 rupees. If it is 8 hours, 100 rupees. 12 hours means it is 140. 24 hours means it is 180. So the question is, check if the parking charges are in direct proportion or not. If it is direct proportion, I told that y by x, if you are doing, you should get a constant. Then we can tell that it is direct proportion. The ratio should be equivalent. Okay. So let us see. Now here 4 hours, 60 rupees means 60 by 4. When you are dividing, you are getting 15 by 1 or 15. Now 8 hours, 100 rupees means 8 by 100 by 8 means it is 25 by 2. 140 and 12 means 140 by 12, you are getting 35 by 3. And 180 and 24 means you are getting 15 by 2. So these numbers are not constant. The answers which you are getting are not constant. The answers are not same. Okay. If the answers are same only, we can tell that it is proportional. It should be a constant k, I told. Same like that, it is not coming. The values are different. So we can't tell that it is proportional. So it is not direct proportional. Okay. So charges are not in direct proportion with the parking time. Charges are not direct proportion with the parking time. Okay. If it is direct, the answer should be same or it should be constant. Got it? Children, now let us see question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. In 6 hours, the machine is able to fill 840 bottles of soft drink. Okay, 6 hours, 840 bottles are filled. How many bottles will be filled in 5 hours? So, how many bottles can be filled in 5 hours is the question. Okay. So, just think whether it is direct proportion or inverse proportion. Okay. Indirect or direct or inverse or direct proportion. So, when one is increasing, the other is also increasing means it is direct proportion. So, when the time increases, the number of bottles filled is also increasing. When time is less, number of bottles filled also will be less, right? So when one is increasing, the other is also increasing. That means what it is? It is direct proportion. Direct proportion means what you should do? Direct division. Okay, so let us see the box now. Number of bottles is written. Number of bottles is 840 means time taken is 6 hours. So we don't know how many bottles can be filled using 5 hours. So we have written it as X. Okay, 5 hours we know, but we don't know how many bottles can be filled. So we have written as X. So it is direct proportion. So what you will do? Division. Right? So let us see that. So here children. So 840 by 6 is equal to X by 5. Okay. Now you should find the value of X. How many bottles should be filled? So divided by 5 means when it goes to the other side, it will be multiplication. Right. So 840 into 5 by 6, that is equal to 700. So 700 bottles can be filled in 5 hours. Got it? Direct proportion, division. How to check direct proportion? When one quantity is increasing, the other is also increasing means it is direct proportion. When one is increasing, the other is decreasing means it is inverse proportion. Direct division. Okay, we'll go to the next problem now. Now children, 5th question. Okay, let us read the question. Okay. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm as shown in the diagram. What is the actual length of the bacteria? What is the actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged, what is the actual length of the bacteria? Question number 1. If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? Okay. So, photograph of the bacteria is enlarged 50,000 times. When the photograph of the bacteria is enlarged for 50,000 times, then the length of the bacteria is 5 centimeter. The question is, what is the actual size? It is only enlarged one time. That is the actual size. Okay, when it is enlarged only one times, that is, then what will be the length of the bacteria? That is the question. So 50,000. So let us draw this box. If it is 50,000 times, then it is 5. Okay. If it is one time, it is x. We don't know how many times it is increased. How many times it is increased, we don't know. Okay. So, it is when the number of times it is increased, the length of the bacteria is also increasing. When the number of times enlarged is decreasing, the length of the bacteria is decreasing in the picture, right? So, when one is increasing, the other is also increasing. When one is decreasing, the other is also decreasing. It is direct proportional. So, it is division. Okay. So, 1 by 50,000 equal to x by 5. So, you want to find the value of x. So, what you will do? So, you will keep x one side and other both you will take it to other side. So, it will be 5 by, let us see here. So, this 5 will go to the numerator, 1 into 5, that is 5 by 50,000, that is equal to 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So, it will be 1 by 10,000. 1 by 10,000 means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is written as 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. If it is actual size, means it is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. Okay. So, if it is for 20,000 times only, it is increased, enlarged only for 20,000 times means, let us see how to do. So, let us draw again the tabular column like this. Okay. So, if it is 50,000 times, we wrote it as 5 centimeter. If it is for 20,000 times, we don't know. So, we have written as x. It is direct proportion. So, we are doing division.